In today's video, I will be teaching you how to set up navigation menu on Shopify. Now to be able to find and see where this option or feature is, you're going to have to look over here on the left side and you're going to have to select this option online store. Under online store, you will be able to find different types of options and features. You have your blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. And here we have our target for the day. We have our navigation. So simply select the navigation option. And over here, you will be able to find the different type of navigation menu, even collection and search filter over here as you can see. Right now, there are two types of menu that are available by default. You have your footer menu and your main menu. If you don't know, the footer menu is the menu that appears below the page. And the main menu, of course, is the page or the part of the page that is on the top of your website. You will be able to view a specific main menu by simply selecting, of course, and you will be able to customize it. You can change the name. You can even add menu items as you can see here, and you can search or paste it over here. You could even select the pages that you have created, like for example, the sizing chart, and you can simply click on add, and you will be able to add that to your main menu. And you can simply click on save, and it will be saved, and it will now appear in your online store. Now let's first check out the default appearance of our online store. And let's compare what would happen once we add our new navigation bar or a new navigation menu. Now, over here, as you can see on the top, this is our main menu. We have here our sizing chart that we have just added. And over here below will be the footer, as you can see here. And when we go here, to be able to add menu, you can simply click on add menu. Then put in your title over here. For example, let's say specific menu. It's not a meaningful title, but anyway, then you can simply add the menu items that you want to have. You could either put in the name over here or simply select it from these parts. You could put in the menu about blogs, but right now we only have news. You could add that. And you could add another one. You could add as many options that you want. It doesn't really matter which type. As long as you have the specific menu item over here, you could add them. And you can add the contacts as well. And basically like that, you can simply click on save menu. And you will be able to save the menu that you have just created. And when we go back, we now have 3 sets of menus over here. Then when we go to the themes and click on customize, you will be able to see over here later on after our website loads on the header, you will be able to check out that under header. As you can see, when you select on the header option that you have, you will be able to see the menu option over here. So if you change this to another menu that you have, let's say the one that we have just created, which is the specific menu, click on select, and it will automatically change the menu that will be displayed on your header. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to use and create menu or navigation menu in Shopify. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.